Hello guys, today I'm showing you how I'm making some free money. I can call it free money when you master what you are doing with trading. So I am on trading view and I can show you if I go to my account on FTMO, I have a trade that is running right now. So I may earn more money or I may lose. So let me just sig in so you can see on FTMO how much I'm making. And I'm patient and I will let this trade running until I make 300 for the day, okay? So I will let it running until I make 300 for the day. As you can see here, uh, you can see on the unrealized PNL, it's growing. I want it to be over 500 before I take it, but it can be low than that and more than that. So the trade I take, let me go to trading view. As you can see, I predicted that the market gonna go up, that the market gonna go bullish. That means I predict that the price gonna go up for the US 30. So I started right here. So it keep moving. So I have another broker that is open, which is the trade locker. I have $23 right here. You can see, guys, on trade locker. So I'm monitoring this trade. So I will keep you posted, guys, whenever it goes up or if I make more. So I can see here it's over $200. So if I can monitor like this right here, you can see the money keep growing. So guys, I will make more video about trading and show you how to trade, and I will show you step by step how to trade, because trading is one of the things that can give you quick money if you know how to do it, if you follow all the steps, and if you have a good strategy. I know a lot of you gonna ask me, Mr. Vanel, can you teach us? Do one-on-one coaching? Guys, keep watching. So you see um on FTMO, it's almost $400. You see, more than $400. It keep moving. When you know how to trade, every day you earn money. You can see, guys. So I wanted to go to the top right here. So if you hit the top, I will make over $6,000. So it's right here, and I'm trading the US market, the US 30, which is the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index, which is one of the 30 most powerful company in United States. So I will keep you posted, so you can see how the trade goes for me. But I have something to tell you guys. Don't let people fool you. Trading is like probability. You may predict something, you think it's gonna work, it may not work. It's something very risky. Before you trade, you're supposed to have a good mindset. You're supposed to have a good psychology preparation. Don't just come and trade. You will lose everything. You're supposed to know how to trade. And let me explain why I take this trade, guys. Here I take this trade with the smart money concept. The market was bearish right here. As you can see, the market was bearish, and I see a little shift here, but it keep going bearish. And when I arrive here, I see the market do what we call a liquidity sweep. What is a liquidity sweep? The liquidity sweep means the market just go very down just to sweep all the available stop loss of retailers. So as you can see, the market right here sweep all the available liquidity that is right here to have enough momentum to go bullish. And I wait until the market break of structure will be, or change the change character, change structure character, or MMS, or market shift structure. Right here you can see the market just shift. It's not really bearish anymore. Right here the market shift because it just go uh, right here. If I just put here something that like a trend line, you can see this is where the market shift to go bullish. And I see that and I say, okay, the market not gonna go down anymore because the market just shift, and I take the trade. So that's one of my confirmation after I have this long bullish engulfing. Let me just zoom for you so you can see it. I just have this long bullish engulfing and I see it's a market shift right here because I see the market shift direction and I enter to the trade. So that's the whole idea and the whole method. So guys, I hope this little video bring you some clarity, and I will make more video like this about trading. If you want help, you want me to help you, keep watching my video. I don't have any course for sale for now. Just keep watching.